guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone's doing good. Okay, so today I'm going to show you my go-to makeup look. You'll always find me with this makeup look, so yeah. I've already moisturized my face, so first things first, let's start with a primer. So for primer, I'm using this Incolor 24K Gold Gel Primer. Just taking a pump of it on my finger and applying it all over my face. So moving on to foundation, I'm using this Krayolan makeup stick in the shade FS40. Blending it out using a wet beauty blender. Done with the blending, so now let's set our face using some compact powder. So for that, I'm using this Elle compact powder in the shade 01 Pearl. Here I'm using this Miss Claire eyebrow pencil and filling in my eyebrows. Now I'm using this pear soap to set my eyebrows. I've been doing this lately because it's changed how my eyebrow looks. It's not a necessary step though, but if you're interested and want to try, please go and try, please. Moving on to our eyes, I'm using this Fashion Factory eyeshadow palette and taking the peachy nude eyeshadow. I'm applying this all over my lids and also on my lower lash line. Now I'm using this Elle Eye Drama Kajal and I'm gonna apply it on my waterline. Here I'm using this L'Oreal Paris Maximalist eyeshadow palette and taking the black eyeshadow. I'm just gonna apply it on the outer corners, just the 1/3 of the outer corner, and flick it outwards. Okay guys, moving on to mascara, I'm using the ITEX Dazzler mascara. Here I'm using the same eyeshadow as my blush. Moving on to some highlighter, I'm using this golden eyeshadow from L'Oreal Paris eyeshadow palette as my highlighter. Okay guys, time for some lipsticks. So I'm using the Lakme 9 to 5 lipstick in the shade Rosy Sunday. Guys, I'm using this lip topper. I really have no idea what this is because it has no name on it, and I picked it up because it was cute. I don't even remember from where. Okay guys, this is it. This is my go-to makeup look. I always live in this. So I hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.